Hello everyone, I am here with Dr. Alex Rubinov, cosmetic dentist. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for being in my office.
Absolutely. So I want to kind of give people a little bit more background on cosmetic dentistry and kind of take away the fear of it a little bit. So tell me, what's the day in the life of Dr. Alex Rubinov with cosmetic dentistry? What's it like for you?
So aside from doing procedures and delivering beautiful cases and smiles, I like it when a person comes to me and says, Doc, I need a change in my life, and how does dentistry play a role in that? Right. And being able to transform a smile and show how minimally invasive and how little pain this can be done is education, I think, is key.
Right. Kind of like working with the patient and sort of taking them through that step-by-step process, right?
And really being able to understand how the change comes from them and not really from what I need to do.
Wow, okay.
What they're looking for, how that smile transformation would actually change their life and what that'll do to their facial structures, whether it's bring youth, change the color of their teeth,
right,
and all those factors.
That's awesome. So that kind of leads me into my next question. So what is something that somebody can do at home that can ensure healthy gums, healthy teeth, something that anybody can have at home? What's one thing that you would recommend?
So something that we can do at home is oil pulling. It's interesting how sort of traditional medicine is playing a role in our society today, because I have difficulty telling patients to make sure that they brush their teeth 2 times a day for 2 minutes, yet there's a
floss.
And floss, of course. I mean, that's a whole nother spectrum.
Right.
But now that people are conscious about their oral cavity and their oral health, and wanting to use coconut oil or sesame oil to rinse their mouth. It not only acts by having detoxifying agents or lauric acid that prevents gum health, the other thing is the mechanical act of using a natural product such as coconut oil to swish around your mouth and release all of these chemicals, toxins, and actual bacterial colonies on the teeth.
Absolutely. I know when I'm consistent with my oil pulling, like I notice a difference in my gums for sure, and the whiteness of my teeth also.
Right.
So I feel like that's just a great thing to add to your daily routine, right? It's harmless,
Of course, harmless.
basically, and you know, you can find coconut oil anywhere. Now, the other thing that I want to ask you about is activated charcoal. We hear a lot about activated charcoal in the health and wellness world. We're face masking with activated charcoal.
Sure.
We're brushing our teeth every day with activated charcoal. What are your thoughts on activated charcoal?
You said brushing your teeth with activated charcoal every day.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that maybe you can incorporate it slowly into your oral routine, but making sure that if you are using activated charcoal, which can have an abrasive effect on your teeth by causing a little bit of enamel wear, I would want to remineralize your teeth with toothpaste that may contain something like a fluoride toothpaste that could enter the crystal lattices of the enamel that can create strength, whereas what activated charcoal does is it removes the superficial layers or stains on your tooth that can create a whiter, brighter smile. But in doing so, it can also act maybe as a abrasive product such as...
It's a little too strong for the enamel. So definitely not every day.
Not every day, but
Right.
if you'd like to.
You can supplement with it.
Correct, supplement with it.
Okay, all right, that's fair. I'm into that.
Yeah, shock your system every once in a while, but don't...
Don't just like
Have
go
a
all in.
consistent-
Okay, so another question that I have for you is food. I'm very into the healing benefits of food, health and wellness. We know fruits and vegetables contain a lot of healing benefits for our bodies. What are some of the least harmless food or something that can help build the strength of our teeth and our gums versus foods that should be avoided for weakening enamel? Or we hear a lot about, I personally tell people to have lemon water every day, right? In terms of like being healthy for your digestive system, but I get questions, will that do anything to my enamel of my teeth? So tell us the straight truth right here.
The truth of the matter is that our mouth is connected to our whole body. So if we ingest materials and products in our mouth that has decrease of inflammation, such as kale, apples, things that are not actual starches that will cause and colonize bacteria that will actually decrease inflammation, is beneficial. So the other strongest asset that you said about using lemon water is I want to make sure that we buffer our mouths with something that's neutral, such as water, and making sure that after you rinse with or you drink lemon water, just have a glass of water right afterwards.
Okay.
That reintroduces a normal pH into our mouth that doesn't allow for a shock in the mouth. And water actually not only is important for every cell in our body, but I think what's really critical is that it can act as a prevention from staining. So when you drink coffee or green juices, just also have that glass of water, and it allows you to sort
Especially
of
after the
wash.
red wine too, right? Okay.
If you could remember the
Okay. Awesome. All right. Well, you heard it here first. Thank you so much, Dr. Alex Rubinov. And for more information, you can visit his website.
Rubinov.nyc.
Wonderful.
And, on Instagram, Dr._Rubinov.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.